Legislation banning abortion once a fetal heartbeat is detected has stalled in Tennessee. Today, the Senate Judiciary Committee agreed to review the issue further over the summer and take it up next year instead. The decision came after the same panel advanced a separate anti-abortion bill that would ensure most abortions would be outlawed should the U.S. Supreme Court overturn the landmark Roe v. Wade decision. The two proposals have split Tennessee's GOP-dominant General Assembly this year as Republican lawmakers have fought to find ways to undermine abortion rights, but have disagreed on the best proposal to submit to Governor Bill Lee.